Dolly and Friends.
Hey.
Hello, fellas! Today, Dolly and I are making the pancake art challenge. What are you doing now, Dolly? Now I'm filling up the forms. Then I'll put them into the oven. Cool! Stay tuned to our show to see what we'll do next. And stay tuned for new episodes of Tommy Detective Stories! Tommy, what are you doing? We're making a cooking video here. Who needs cooking videos? Let's better film a detective story. No, go away. Yeah, go away, Tommy. Pancakes! It smells so good! What's happening? I heard something moving right behind me! Someone stole all our pancakes! Oh no! We've put so much effort into it. What are we gonna say to our friends? Who could do such a thing? I don't have any idea. Looks like it's a job for Tommy the detective. Tommy! Huh? No need for these games. We know you stole our cookies. Me? It wasn't me. It was a spooky cookie beast. There is no cookie beast. You just made it up. No, it's a spooky cookie beast. It has 3 tails, 4 hands, and 6 big fangs. Stop lying to us. Just tell us where you hid the cookies. I didn't hide anything. But I'll find them or I'm not Tommy the detective. What are we doing here, Tommy? Looking for clues. Keep searching. I'll check the backyard. No, doggy, go away! not a monk, it's an eyewitness. What did you say? Oh, really? Thank you very much. So where are we going now? To the beach! It'll never end, will it? I think I have an idea. How to end this quickly. Hey, Tommy! Tommy, we found something! Look, there are footprints on the sand. And they're going into the cave. Well, I don't think that Cookie Beast is hiding in such a scary place. Where else would a spooky beast be hiding? Come on, go into the cave. Or you can admit that there is no Cookie Beast and you completely made it up. Okay, I'm done with this drama. Give our cookies back. I can't! The cookies are under lock and key. So, Monkey stole the key! It's unbearable. I think we need Johnny the officer.
So, what's the problem?
Look!
Maybe it's better to call for backup.
No time for backup. We need our stuff now.
Okay, sirs. Mr. Monkey, sir.
Useless, like always. And what should we do now? I think I have an idea. Are you sure that it will work? It will work. I'm not Tommy the Monkey Fighter. You mean Tommy the Cookie Stealer? Never mind. Better help me move the box.
Thank you, kids.
Now to the cookies.
Dolly,
Yes, police.
throwing garbage,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly,
Yes, police.
stealing candies,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly,
Yes, police.
spoiling walls,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.